Hey guys, this is Surprise Eggs and Sweets, and today we have 4 Play-Doh surprise eggs and 1 Kinder surprise egg. And I made these Play-Doh surprise egg balls with some dots on them. So let's get started and open the first one. Okay, first we have this little guy. Wearing a funny helmet. And the next Play-Doh surprise egg. Here we have a grandma dinosaur in her chair, sleeping, relaxing from reading the newspaper. And in the red Play-Doh surprise egg, we have a baby dinosaur. Maybe he is her grandchild, sitting on this pot and being all cute. And in the last Play-Doh surprise egg, we have another one from this series. Okay, and then we have 1 Kinder surprise egg, and it's from the Madagascar penguins. So let's see if we get lucky and get one of the penguins. No. I had this one in an earlier video. You can push it down and then it jumps a little up. So let's put them together. So here it is. So let's make him jump. Alright, he jumped right off the picture. Okay, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon. Bye bye.